Morning, this is Dr. Alan Rader. We get asked very often about sugar alcohols. What are they and how do they affect us as far as intake in calculating the amount of carbs? So I'm going to use 6 cups. Now a sugar molecule has 6 carbons. See how there are 6 small circles on the top and 6 larger circles on the bottom. There are receptors or doors in the GI tract that if 6 small circles show up, the body knows that's sugar and it says, suck it in. There are 6 large circles on doors in the GI tract. And if 6 large circles show up, the body says, suck it in. Now, starches and other carbs, not just simple sugars, are strictly rows and rows and rows and rows of these molecules that all get broken up down to the simple form. Now, artificial sugars are somehow structurally altered. So there's 5 circles and 1 big circle, or 5 large circles and 1 small circle. There are no doors for 5 and 1. So artificial sugars, even though they taste sweet, they don't get absorbed. That's why they're not included in the carb count on the food labels. Now what they do with sugar alcohols is they put an alcohol group on one side. So now there are 5 small circles and 1 alcohol group. The GI tract doesn't have doors to let in 5 small circles and 1 alcohol group. But see how it has 6 large circles? So when it turns around and it hits the door for 6 large circles, the body sucks it in. So sugar alcohols are absorbed more slowly, but they do get absorbed and they do affect insulin levels. That's why you have to be careful when you look at something that says net carbs. You still have to look at how many total grams of carbohydrates they are, because they do get absorbed. I hope this better explains why sugar alcohols still are important and they still need to be counted when we take them in. This is Alan Rader for Idaho Weight Loss.